System test okay.
Altimeter 2, Niner 4. Visual, runway 20, right in visual, runway 20, left in. Landing and departing, runway 20, right in, runway 20, left. The FR aircraft say direction of flight. All aircraft read back, hold short instructions. Advise controller on initial contact at Bravo.
John Wayne, clearance, radio check, please.
Loud and clear.
San Luis Tower, Cessna 739 Foxtrot Papa, reporting left base, runway 29er.
739 Foxtrot Papa, runway 29er, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 29er, Cessna 739 Foxtrot Papa.
John Wayne, clearance, Skyline 15 Juliet Golf.
For 15 Juliet Golf, Skyline, clearance, go ahead.
We'd like to do some pattern work if we could, please.
Roger, contact ground.
Going to ground, 15 Juliet Golf. John Wayne, ground, Skyline 15 Juliet Golf. We're at the west ramp, and we'd like to do some pattern work with the option, please.
For 15 Juliet Golf, John Wayne, ground, runway 20 right at Kilo, taxi via Bravo.
20 right, a Kilo via Bravo. 15 Juliet Golf, thanks.
Cessna 984, Romeo Alpha, reporting to field.
Number 984, Romeo Alpha, runway 0 right, clear for the option.
Clear and right, clear for the option, Cessna 984, Romeo Alpha.
San Bernardino Tower, 600 Foxtrot, clear to 4 at Sharp.
For 600 Foxtrot, taxi parking via Charlie, get it?
John Wayne Tower, Skyline 15 Juliet Golf is at 20 right at Kilo, ready for closed traffic.
For 15 Juliet Golf, John Wayne Tower, make right closed traffic, report midfield down when needs to pass, runway 20 right at Kilo, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 20 right, closed traffic, right pattern, report midfield, 15 Juliet Golf. John Wayne Tower 15 Juliet Golf is midfield downwind for 20 right.
15 Juliet Golf, 20 right, clear, touch and go.
Clear for touch, go. 15 Juliet Golf.
Type 2 remain kilo contact towards it.
Departure altitude retail 0.
$500.
There's some traffic there off to the right on the ramp, getting ready to go. Up to about about 600 or 700 feet. Make our turn onto our crosswind leg. Keep climbing up to 1,000 feet. Sunwing Tower 15 Juliet Golf is midfield downwind for 20 right.
Roger, to Golf runway 20 right, clear for the opposite.
Clear for the option, 15 Juliet Golf. Turn onto our base leg about here. Another notch of flaps. A little high. Better high than low.
Charlie Mike, SoCal approach, squawk 5672.
$500.
Charlie Mike, verify squawking 5672. Right over 329 Charlie Mike, you're in contact 8 miles south of the Van Nuys VOR. Turn northbound immediately. You're in violation of Los Angeles Bravo airspace. Charlie Mike, I'll write that up as a pilot deviation. You can't enter the Bravo airspace without clearance. Charlie Mike, through Bravo airspace northbound. Are you still looking for the Hollywood Park route?
Flaps up.
3200 Charlie Mike, advised, established on the Van Nuys 140 radial at 8,000.
Power up.
900,500.
I think this will be our last loop. access over the middle marker on the inbound runway. 100 feet, start our turn. Turn onto our downwind leg.
Cessna 172, slam golf.
3837 Lima, Oxnard ground, runway 25, taxi via Foxtrot Alpha.
25 Foxtrot Alpha, 3837 Lima, light following.
Number 3837 Lima, your departure frequency is going to be 124.7, squawk 7432.
Departure 124.7, 7432, 3837.
252 Romeo Kilo, cross Caddy at maintain 2000, Vegas altimeter 2986. And 850, contact open center 133.7.
And interior clearance, November 291 Juliet Delta, can you confirm there's no T group between Ontario and Palm Springs?
Conway Tower 15 Juliet Golf, you were on the radio, so we extended the downwind, but we're ready to go full stop.
5 Juliet Golf, roger, runway 20 right, clear to land.
20 right, clear to land, 15 Juliet Golf.
9850, open center, good afternoon, center pilot's discretion, maintain level 20 as well. At 850 open center, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 200.
And Oakland clearance, November 291 Juliet Delta, radio check.
5x5, stand by. At 850, go over your question. That means you can descend at the pilot's discretion. You are the pilot, and you may descend at your discretion. Unless you're not the pilot, there's something I don't know.
500.
All right.
1 Juliet Delta, how can I help you?
And November 291 Juliet Delta. We're just confirming that there was no take route between Ontario and Palm Springs.
That's correct. No, the tech routes are available between Ontario and Palm Springs.
Alright, cheers. I'll get my flight map up.
There's the middle marker.
Much clearance delivery, Romeo Alpha 34691, IFR to Torrance.
Romeo Alpha 34691, March ground. On request 10.
And Skyline 291 Juliet Delta, Ontario clearance, request clearance Palm Springs.
1 Juliet Delta, Ontario clearance, on request, your number 2.
Number 2, 1 Juliet Delta.
John Wayne ground, Baron 209 Kilo, west ramp with the weather, request taxi for pattern work.
Number 209 Kilo, John Wayne ground, runway 20 right, taxi via Bravo and Kilo.
20 right via Bravo Kilo, 209 Kilo.
John Wayne ground, Baron 1123, requesting taxi 20 left for pattern work. We're over at signature.
Baron 1123, John Wayne ground, runway 20 left at Kilo, taxi via Alpha Hotel Charlie Kilo. Number 15 Juliet Golf, hold short of taxiway Bravo, contact ground.
Holding short of Bravo and going to ground, 15 Juliet Golf. John Wayne ground, Skyline 15 Juliet Golf is at Foxtrot, holding short right of Bravo, right of 20 right.
Alright, I had several of you calling at the same time, stand by. I think 502 Bravo Charlie was in there, you're on request. You'll be number 3, stand by, I've got relief coming. The other aircraft calling, I'm sorry I missed your call sign. Stand by, however, one moment.
There goes some traffic going by. Those are other people on the PilotEdge network flying out of this airport tonight, which is kind of cool.
John Wayne ground, November 1123. Can you repeat that clearance again?
Or 1123, John Wayne ground, taxi clearance, sir?
Yes, sir.
Or 1123, runway 20 left at Kilo, taxi via Alpha Hotel Charlie Kilo.
20 left at Kilo, taxi via Alpha Hotel Charlie. 1123.
John Wayne ground, Skyline 15 Juliet Golf is at Foxtrot, holding short of Bravo.
Who's holding short of Bravo?
Skyline 15 Juliet Golf would like to go to the ramp if we could.
15 Juliet Golf, roger, join Bravo to the ramp. Good day.
Bravo to the ramp to park, thanks. 15 Juliet Golf.
Romeo Alpha 34691, have your clearance ready, badge ready, copy.
Romeo Alpha 34691, ready to copy.
Romeo Alpha 34691, clear to the Torrance Airport via fly runway heading, radar vectors Paradise via WAR, then as file, maintain 4000. Departure frequency 135.
I'm actually going to pull up next to this guy.
4064.
Romeo Alpha 34691, clear to Torrance Airport via runway headings and radar vectors to Paradise and as file to maintain 4000. 135.5 4064.
Alpha 34691, correction, departure frequency 133.5, otherwise read back correct.
Roger, 133.5 from Alpha 34691.
Ground November 27 Whiskey Uniform Bell 47 at the helipad, looking to taxi out for pattern work and then a departure to the north.
This aircraft calling, say call sign.
November 827 Whiskey Uniform.
Alright, 827 Whiskey Uniform, John Wayne ground, runway 20, right at Kilo, taxi via Bravo, Kilo.
There it is, that's all there is to it.
You're right, Kilo.
You know, the mixture.
827 Whiskey Uniform, turn your
flaps.
transponder on.
Alright, you got it, sir. Transponder coming on, 827 Whiskey Uniform.
Turn off the lights.
2991 Juliet Delta, have a full route clearance for you, advise ready to copy.
And 291 Juliet Delta, ready to copy.